Okay, so today at Chopsy Baby we are reviewing the Brother P-Touch 1080 label maker. Basically, as you can see, it's a label making printer that works like this. You turn it on and you put in the text as if you were sending a text message, like this. And you see it all comes up on the little screen there. What you can do is you can change to capitals, you can change text style, font sizes, that kind of thing, or you can just keep it fairly basic. And then all you do then, press that button there, that prints, comes out of the label maker like that. You end up with a label like that, printed label. As you can see, it doesn't smudge, doesn't smear. What you do then is you just take off the back. Oh god, not like that. Take the strips off at the back, like that. And just stick it to the wherever you want to stick it. I've made a right pig's ear of this because I'm trying to do two things at once. There you go, job done. There is your label.